Hello everyone, I am Nagaraj. Today let's talk about the famous ancient Someshwara temple. Someshwara temple is in Lakshmeshwara town which is located in Gadag district in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is about 40 km from Gadag and 55 km from Hubli. It is an agricultural trading town. Someshwara temple dedicated to Shiva. There are many important temples in historic town, including the other Shiva temple, the Someshwara temple. There are two ancient Jain temples, Sannabasidi and Shankabasidi in the town. Lakshmeshwar is also home for many smaller shrines, the Kodiyallamma temple, the Mookabasavanna shrine and gigantic idol of Surya Narayanama. Lakshmeshwar is famous for prolific culture and literature. It is a place with rich heritage in Karnataka, hence it is called as Tirulugannada Nadu. Many kings have patronized the place. Lakshmeshwar or ancient Huligeri or Puligeri was the capital of Puligeri. Puligeri means pond of tigers. There are theories of the origin of the name Lakshmeshwara. Name itself suggests Lakshmi worshipped Shiva and did penance to be goddess of wealth and main deity of temple is Shiva. Other names include Purigeri, Porigeri, Purikanagar and Pulikanagar. Adi Kavi Pampa wrote his famous poetry in Lakshmeshwara. Many Jain saints and writers have flourished here. They include Devachakra, Bhattaraka, Shankaracharya, Hemadvacharya, Padmasena, Tribhuvanachandra Padmita and Ramadvacharya. The most important monument at Lakshmeshwar is the Someshwara temple complex, 11th century. The temple complex with three main entrances surrounded by high walls look like a fort. It is splendid specimen of Chalukya architecture. Middle of the temple complex there is a Someshwara temple surrounded by many small temples mainly dedicated to Shiva. Along the compound wall built with granite, some halls in the complex meant for resting devotees. Someshwara temple with the traditional structures of a temple includes a Garbhagriha, an Ardha Mantapa or a halfway hall, a Navaranga and Mukha Mantapa or entrance porch. The Nandi and Shiva Parvati idols in the temple are exquisitely sculpted. These idols are referred to as Saurashtra Someshwara as these idols were brought by Shiva devotee from Saurashtra and installed at Lakshmeshwara. Inside the Someshwara temple complex, behind the temple, there is an open step well. This step well, being richly carved and ornamented, is of architectural and artistic significance. The Mantapa hall with late turn pillars at Someshwara temple, Shikara over the sanctum of Someshwara temple, step well at Someshwara temple complex, open well at Someshwara temple complex, Kannada inscriptions at Someshwara temple complex. Now let's move on to the inscriptions. At the Someshwara temple complex, there are many Kannada inscriptions. Over 50 stone inscriptions record show the cultural importance. The Lakshmeshwara inscriptions in Kannada dated 13th January 735 AD. During 733 to 744 AD, Vikramaditya II was the son of King Vijayaditya who ascended the Badami Chalukya's throne following the death of his father. Jain Basidis. Lakshmeshwara Jain temples. Jainism related to the Lakshmeshwara has long history. Lakshmeshwara Jain temples dates back to 7th century. Lakshmeshwar is one of the ancient Jain centers. Main Jain temples are mentioned in the inscriptions. Shankabasidi, historical Jain temple at Lakshmeshwara, Karnataka. Shankabasidi is one of the two historical Jinalaya at Lakshmeshwara. Neminatha, Shanka is the symbol of Neminatha. The 22nd Jain Tirthankara is the presiding deity of this Jain Basadi. Basadi, which consists of Garbhagriha, a large Ardha Mandapa, larger Mahamandapa and Rangamandapa. The Rangamandapa has three entrances, south, north and west. It has Chaturmukha structure in diminutive model, each of which carries three figures. It has a Rekha Nagara Shikhara. The unique feature of this temple is the Sahasrakuta Jinabimba in minute form. Adi Kavi Pampa wrote Adi Purana seated in this Basadi. Ananta Basadi, another Jain temple at Lakshmeshwara, is the Ananta Basadi built in AD 1250, which is in the middle of the town. This Basadi is an example of Chalukya style of architecture. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel.